Good morning. I'm Brian Youell, the Master Superintendent of Uplands Golf Club. This morning we're going to talk about some upcoming construction projects that we have around our second green, according to our golf course improvement plan. I get a lot of questions throughout the year. Why are we not pricing out this entire plan? How much is it going to cost? That's actually a golf course master plan, where a membership or a club would adopt an entire plan, finish it in a set period. The golf course improvement plan is a map or a guideline when we have aging features. For example, this bunker behind us on number 2, what are we going to do with these old features? And then with the golf course improvement plan, you may not be doing all of the features that have been outlined in the plan. So in this case, we're going to be starting to do some renovations with the bunker behind number 2 green here on the right hand side. And then as well, we're going to be making some changes to the back of the green, expanding the green. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to be removing that bunker and actually lowering the slope there, which is the way the golf course used to be back in the 1920s and 1930s. While we're going to have this green closed down for construction, which should take approximately 7 working days, we're going to bring a sod cutter and remove these collar dams here. It's quite common in our industry to get collar dams that are a combination build up from sand, from top dressing and aeration, and you get this hump in front of the green. This hump can cause your golf ball to scoot onto the green or sometimes stop it. So we'll bring the sod cutter in and lower this down, which will make it more fair for play, but it'll also allow water to drain out. Enjoy Jeff Mingay's commentary. He has some thoughts of the upcoming project here, and happy golfing, everyone.
So at number 2 green, the right bunker more or less gets remodeled in place. The shape and the style of the bunker will change a little bit. It may extend a little bit back further toward the tee, and the mounding between the green surface and the bunker will also get toned down in a little more subtler style than exists right now. And also the bunker will be lowered, so it's actually going to end up being a little bit deeper and taken off this pedestal of dirt that the current bunker is sitting on.
And we'll walk to the back here. What do you got?
Along with the bunker remodel, the second half of the green, the back half, is going to get expanded slightly. A little bit right, a little bit left, and most of all, further back. The green surface at the back will get widened slightly and expanded back toward the Gary Oak behind the green. What that'll do is it'll restore a few pins further back into the expanded green surface. And we're also going to restore an infinity look off the back of the green by removing the rough grass mound that's there now.
And we'll have some more pin placements you see back here.
Couple more pins into the expanded area at the back, and a cool infinity look where you won't see any rough grass behind the green.
Now, as we go over to the left side of the 2 green there, what are your visions there?
Similarly to the right side, the left side's going to get raised a little bit so that we can make the green effectively wider in the second half. The left bunker is going to go away entirely. And be replaced by more short grass. We're going to expand the fairway along the left side of the green so that you'll have 3 different types of hazards at number 2. If you miss short right, you're in sand. If you miss long right, you're in rough. If you miss left, you'll be down below the green.